As we embark on module number 2, we're looking at epidemiology and the practice of population health. So we have our specific objectives for this module. We'll go into the to-do list. For the module, you're going to be doing discussion board number 2, and you're going to be reading the chapter number 3 in your Merrill textbook. So as we're looking ahead, please know that your epidemiological study critique is due in module number 5, and you may want to take a look at the rubric, which you can find in the Start Here section, in the syllabus, rubrics, and calendar section of the course, to kind of get in mind the types of materials and the type of information that you need, because some of the content from this module will be helpful as you construct your assignment in the future. So just know that we are building along the way, and keep that in mind as we're going to kind of take note of what you're learning in the different modules that will help you as you're completing your next assignments. So we have the PowerPoint overview of the chapter here. There's some helpful information as far as herd immunity is included here, and this is a really great way to demonstrate herd immunity in a very great visual. Very simple, that sometimes when we read about herd immunity, it is a little complex when we're reading about it, but this visual just gives you a very clear picture of herd immunity. We're examining immunizations as part of this area too, and it's part of the discussion board, or parts of the discussion board. And just know that we're looking at the 4 domains of chronic disease in the discussion board as well. And here is the link to your discussion board here, and just always remember that you can access the discussion boards through this avenue as well. So in just a highlight for our module 2 discussion board, just remember, please do not post until the discussion board officially opens on Mondays. Kind of keep that in mind. That's always how it is. I try to open it early so you have enough time to construct your response to your choice for the discussion board. But remember, hold on to that and don't post it until Monday or after, up until Wednesday. So we're going to examine herd immunity. We're going to go into some of the resources at the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, and then set 2 extends into chronic disease and looking at those facets built within the course itself in the module. So just know that you can take a look at the 4 domains of chronic disease in the module like we talked about, and then we dive into Healthy People 2020, which is soon to be Healthy People 2030 as well. So if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. I look forward to sharing this module with you.